protecting the environment and promoting the use of regenerative energy, using electricity when it's in plentiful supply so as to reduce peaks in demand. Many utilities now offer electricity tariffs which vary according to the time of day to reflect fluctuations in demand. Whereas electricity is particularly cheap between midnight and 6 a.m., it's often most expensive between noon and midnight. Miele dishwashers featuring Flexi timer with EcoStart. Put variable electricity tariffs to work to your advantage. When loading a dishwasher at, say, 7 p.m., simply select the time at which the cycle should be complete, for example, at 9 the following morning. Working on the basis of electricity tariffs which are programmed into the controls once, EcoStart determines that midnight is the most suitable starting time. The calculation is based on the cheapest tariff, taking the finishing time into consideration. This protects the environment and saves money. In order to use the Flexi timer with EcoStart, simply select the required program. Confirm by pressing the Flexi timer button and select EcoStart. Next, select the latest convenient finishing time and then press OK to confirm. The machine then runs a calculation and determines, in this case, midnight as the most suitable time to start the program. To ensure that crockery is finished on time, whilst at the same time using the cheapest rate electricity. Clean crockery when you need it. Convenient and simple handling. Flexi timer with EcoStart both protects the environment and saves money.